Alright guys, this is gonna be a demo video on the spray painted Nuremberg Harbor Bridge armitage. It got the motor blade on light kit is metallic chrome, blades are gloss black, and the dangles and screws are red, as you can see. When done doing the button outlet, this one is for light. Got some white LED in there. Now let's do low. Yeah. It's low. And open these. Excuse me. You can get more light in here. This is a little bit like better than my Lady Delta I had here before. The Lady Delta, it went extremely fast. I mean, it was a good fan, but it just went a little too fast. This one does an okay airflow on high. Okay, let's do medium. Light again. And the light changed that to the, it put on to the opposite, and the fan chain is on high currently. Pretty good airflow, not too bad. Here is high. Go pretty fast. See if I can get up here. The dangle right there. So yeah, that is my 52-inch chrome and gloss black Harbor armitage. Thanks for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe.